Motorcycle Adventure Dirtbike TV, supported proudly by Adventure Spec in the UK, Rally Raid Products, Giant Loop in the United States, Adventure Moto in Australia, Pirelli Tyres, Motul Oils, RK Chains and Australian Adventure Bike Magazine.
Hi, my name's Dave Darcy and I'm the shooter producer for Motorcycle Adventure Dirtbike TV. This week we're going to open up the video vault and go back between 10 and 12 years, a time when Mad TV had just kicked off and we were doing a lot of dirt bike riding. The guys that you see in these videos are the same guys that we ride with now on Adventure, and I hope you enjoy these three films. They really encapsulate what Mad TV is all about.
It's that time of year again when a bunch of crazy dirt bike riders get together to raise money for charity by doing what they do best: crashing. A series of completely nutty special tests will ensure by the end of the day there will only be one winner who can rightfully claim to be the last man standing. As the bikes arrived, it became clear this looked like a KTM promotional day. They might have looked clean now, but these bikes were in for a thrashing.
It's your job to make sure that one rider gets to the top by any means. Right, and probably also your job is to make sure none of the other teams get to the top as well.
Meet John Reeks, the race steward who ensures everyone plays by the rules, which is pretty easy because there aren't many. And anyone with sideburns as long as his has to be respected. With Reeks' encouragement, riders will do just about anything to ensure they are the last man standing. There's reputations at stake, and some, well, they get a little carried away. There is also a teams event, and this is my team leader, Gailey, who believes that dirt bike riders perform better when their teeth are clean. He's a useful leader, highly skilled in the art of dirt bike riding, and loves taking pictures of the opposition in trouble. We warmed up with some loamy pine forest single trail before the first special test that would see us picking out wood chips from our helmets for the rest of the day. The first special test was a barrel race teams event in wood chips over 1 metre deep. Each team started at opposite sides of the course. The aim is for your team members to overtake the other team. Once overtaken, those riders are out of the race and the event keeps going until there is one rider left.
Oh shit, there's bikes out everywhere. Oh, this is a massacre.
No, this person standing in the middle of the screen is not a policeman directing traffic. He is the only rider in the group with a Yamaha. And no, he's not the last man standing, but rather one of the first to eat wood chips. And by the end of the day, he's going to eat shitloads of wood chips.
We'll be right. We're going to need to keep out wide. Yeah. Come in close, out wide again, just like a grass track event. Keep that power on and momentum up, okay? Yeah.
Full throttle.
Full throttle, that's it.
Thanks, leader. What do you reckon, team?
Yeah, no, my little pissy 300 should
Yeah,
Flat out, as fast as we can go.
Gailey's motivational talk must have worked, as our team held its own until some gremlins emerged to increase the degree of difficulty for the race. Watch this guy throw a stump in my path and take me out. Anyway, time for some more single trail. The single trail is designed to wear you down before the next special test, which happened to be a sprint in the forest. Then back out into the wood chips for the team captain's event. Another barrel race with a difference. Logs to add extra spice. The next event was, shall we say, artistic, with points awarded for the group that executed the nicest looking turn. Reeksy seemed to like my pirouette. The next team threw everything at us but ended up eating it, and that was fine by us. Back out onto the single trail and a steep little drop-off sorted out the men from the boys. As always, dirt bike riders have some very unique ways of taking on obstacles. We had the cautious approach.
Oh.
And this one I call walking the dog.
Oh. Rumble for a peg. I think that's a peg, Gailey. Grab a peg.
This is a turner. You've been hanging out with Michael too long.
It's not going to make it go any faster. Oh shit, what's this? Whoa!
And then we had commitment, which was graceful to watch.
Yes.
Well, most of the time anyway.
On that side. He went in the hole. Trust me.
Oh my god!
2 pegs.
2 pegs.
Mate, just sit on your ass. Oh gee, I don't want to cuddle.
The final hill climb of the day was punishing, and only a handful of riders reached the top.
This. Oh, oh yes. It means business. It's going so well.
We finished the day with some relay races, where there was an opportunity to defy gravity and mow some grass. It had been a great day, but as anyone who rides dirt bikes knows, it's always a great day when you can get out with your mates and take on some challenges and have some fun. It makes it even better when you know that you've helped raise money for someone less fortunate than you. At the end of the day, one rider had consistently performed on all tests, and by the narrowest of margins won the Reeksy 2014 Last Man Standing event. His name? Mitch Baker. Well done, Mitch. And well done Gailey and Reeksy for organising the event. At the end of the day, their efforts had brought us closer together, and we were better riders for it.
Oh, yes! Excellent, Wayne!
Going down to the river, gonna wash this body clean. Close my eyes, try to forget what I've seen. One shot to hurt and two shots to do the same. Third shot to one, yeah, she's been saving for the pain.
Sit on your ass on that seat.
Now he goes to the next bloke.
Oh!
Just to save for a rainy day.
Oh! Shit.
How many times?
This is not an easy ride, mate.
Team Honda got up there.
What do they call it? The maddening. They call this section the maddening. And I'm more than mad.
And that was bad too.
That was mad, Egon. I thought you put it on.
It is on!
You should put a snowboard on your legs.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sorry.
I was halfway through an interview.
Yay!
Yeah.
Let her go!
Just to save for a rainy day. How many times can one heart break? How many times can one rotate when you're trying to find another? It's the last lover yet. How many times can one heart break? How many moves can one man make when you're trying to find another? It's the last lover yet. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. No, I won't stop, won't stop, won't stop.
Dave, what's it like to be on the other end of a camera?
It's a bit daunting, actually, mate. But think like I said, anyone who can't get up this is an old woman.
Oh, video evidence there, Steve. Video evidence.
And then it was on for young and old to take out the opposition.
She took all. How many times can one heart break? How many times can one roll?
Go on, Egon. Go, Egon. Go, go. Come on, dog. Go, go, go. Go the dog. Bark, bark.
How many times can one
Got us dropping down a 2-metre rock shelf in the pitch dark and then through some, looks like Denolan Caves.
last lover yet? Whoa,
Thank you, not going to be staying for very much longer. Hey, how many pence is that worth?
The engine delivers power predictably from as low as 1500 revs and starts to get interesting as it approaches 5000. By 8000, you feel like you're on a rocket ship.